Alright, today we're going to talk about the beginning of statistics, and the first thing we're going to talk about is what are individuals. And individuals basically can be any member of a set or group. So student at WHS would be an individual. Lollipop in a bag of lollipops would be an individual. It doesn't necessarily have to be a person. And then a variable could be anything used to describe the individual, such as height or GPA for the students, or flavor for the lollipop. These are all variables. They can be different for different people or lollipops. Now, in these variables, there's two types of variables that we have. There are categorical, which, like flavor, when I ask you what is the flavor of the lollipop and you tell me watermelon, that's not a number. When you ask for the height in inches or GPA, those would be numerical. There is sometimes where a number may still be a categorical number. If I said the jersey number of a football player, that would be considered categorical, because 89, if here's the number 89, doesn't stand for 89 of anything. It's just a way to describe the person who's on the field. Number 89 just caught the touchdown. Alright, so a couple more definitions we had in here. Distribution is the values the variable takes on and how often it occurs. And inference is what we can kind of figure out or assume based on a distribution. So let's say that we're going to flip. I'm going to have everybody flip the coin 10 times, and over here I'm going to have number of heads and let's see, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have you flip a coin, and some people are going to have 5, some people are going to have 4, some people are going to have 3, more people will have 4, a few more people have 5. Someone even had 2, some people will have 6. And you wouldn't be surprised if maybe one person got 8 heads. So let's imagine that this is what it looks like. Based on this, would you consider that the coin is fair? Or the coins, I should say, since you're all flipping different coins. Are the coins are fair? And you would say, yeah, it looks like the coins are pretty much fair. We got most of the coins here at 5, which is what most people would expect if you flip 10 times. Some people have 4 or 6, and we wouldn't be surprised. However, in my next class, for whatever reason, class number 2 over here is in green. Would you consider the class I gave the coins that are fair to the class in green? You would say no, because you would expect those numbers to be lower than what they are. So these, whether the coins are fair or not, are what we call inferences, because we decided based on the data the blue coins were fair, the green coins were not. And that's our first little lesson here in the intro to chapter 1.